Discover the ultimate convenience of hands-free docking with our innovative Automatic Fender system. Say goodbye to the hassle of climbing onto the bow to manually set your fenders. Our revolutionary technology does the work for you. With just a simple press of a button from your cockpit, your fenders deploy instantly, allowing you to focus entirely on docking smoothly and safely. Installation is quick and effortless, just 15 minutes, with no need for complex wiring or permanent modifications to your boat. Simply attach the Automatic Fender to your railing, and you're ready for a seamless, stress-free docking experience. The Automatic Fender features a built-in solar cell that continuously charges its internal battery, ensuring reliable performance. With ultra-efficient energy storage, it only needs one sunny day per year to stay fully powered for hassle-free, hands-free docking. Designed for universal compatibility, our system works with a wide range of boat types, ensuring that every boater can enjoy the ease, safety, and convenience of Automatic Fender deployment. Upgrade to modern boating today and transform docking into an effortless, enjoyable part of your adventure on the water. Boat safer, smarter, and easier with Automatic Fenders.